Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit your profile on CapCut. So if you have logged in or made an account on CapCut, you can edit your profile. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So here on a CapCut, you just need to go to the Me menu at the bottom, and so this is my profile, and to edit it you can just click on edit profile, and in here you can change your photo. If you want to change your photo, just click on change photo and choose the photo from your album. And you can also change your nickname right this. Okay, so you can also change the CapCut ID. I'm going to change it, okay, for example like this, and then click on confirm. And here you can also choose whether you want to choose a gender, or you don't want to display your gender. That's fine, you can just choose one of this and then click on bio to change your bio. Hi, or and for example like that, and click on confirm. So yeah, that's basically how you can edit your profile on CapCut. That's it for me. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you guys.